How to reset your Tubi TV password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can reset your Tubi TV password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to reset your Tubi TV account's password, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your browser and just go to tubitv.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to tubitv.com, you're going to be landed on this page as you can find it. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure to just click the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now if you remember the account details, you would be able to enter them accordingly and then just click the sign in option without any issues. But since we've forgotten our password, you want to make sure to click on the button known as forgot password. Then just make sure to enter the email address of your Tubi TV account and then click on the reset my password option. It will send a link to that email. So what we want to do is we want to open up a new mailbox over here and then sign into our email. Check if we've received any sort of email from Tubi TV and then open it up. Once we've done that, you can please click this link to reset it. So you can just click on this link over here, and then as you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page where you can simply enter a new password that you would like to use without having to remember your old password. And this way you can reset your Tubi TV password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.